Hello, in this video, we will look at how you pass arguments to invoke a method. And the arguments are passed by value. Now let's look at this method in print line with these two parameters. It's a message, it's a string, and this n is int. So this method prints the message n times. When you invoke it with exactly the same type. Is a string, hello, and this is 3. Now, you cannot invoke it in a different order, say, and print 3, hello, would be wrong because the first one is a message. Now you cannot pass a number. Now, when you pass this, you're going to see this, the effect of pass by value, passing by value. So let's see it from here, this example. I have this x is 1. And before you call this method increment, and x is 1. Now, after you call this increment, so what is the increment? It's right here. So you pass the value of x is 1 to n. Now increment n, so n is now 2. And after the method is finished, what is x? Now the x is still 1 because you pass the value of x to n. When you change n, you're not going to change x. Let's see why it happens through this animation.
The program starts the execution from the main method. The statement assigns 1 into x. The statement displays the value in x. The statement invokes the increment method. Check your understanding what will be x after invoking increment. X
is going to be 1 after the call to increment is finished. It is still 1. Let's see how it works.
You are correct. X will still be 1. Let us continue to see how it works.
All right, now you see here
the value in x is passed to n to invoke the method.
The value of x is passed to n. So now
the statement increments n by 1.
You're going to change n, you did not change x.
The statement displays the value of n.
After this is finished, and
the
back
here.
here.
The method is finished and will return the control back to its caller. The statement displays the value of x after the method call.
X is still 1. Now let's look at another example. Here is you have these two numbers and you attempt to swap these two numbers by invoking the swap method. But after you call this method, it didn't work. And the value in num1 and num2 are not changed. The reason is you pass the value in num1 to n1, in num2 to n2. When you swap this n1, n2, you did not swap num1 and num2. So please run this animation, see the effect of this passing by value. All right, that's all for this section. See you on the next section.